Whoa, what an experience, huh?
That looks so real.
This is just the beginning for the metaverse. The concept of the metaverse is you can experience life in a virtual environment. And most people think it's just an interactive, fun game right now, but over time, we're going to be using it more and more.
You think?
Guys, we all know how hard it is to find time to practice with your car in real life. But imagine if you and your fans were able to experience every single racetrack and you even get to experience the G-forces with the click of a button.
We use something like that to train already.
Exactly. Even though we're in the early stages, the opportunities, possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to feel what it's like to rip down the track at Spa or Monza.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing.
Well, that's exactly what the metaverse provides. From concerts to live events to simply hanging out with your friends. The metaverse is pretty...
Let me guess, it's next level?
I think it's about time we hit the roads.
Yeah. Thanks so much for showing us the crypto world. Maybe next time we can show you our world. You'll be surprised how much we have in common.
Did we just become best friends?
No.